Good morning. Again, nandito tayo ngayon para pag-usapan kung legit ba talaga yung Kumu app. Tsaka nagbabayad ba talaga sila ng pera. Well, malalaman natin 'yan sa mga users kagaya ko. Pero hindi ko naman gusto na sa akin lang yung review na nagbabayad sila. Tanungin natin yung mga taong nakagamit din. Okay. So, paano yan? So, samahan nyo ako, guys. So, punta tayo sa App Store ko and search natin si Kumu. O, sinerch ko na si Kumu. Pagkatapos nyan, punta kayo dito sa enough download ko siya, si Kumu, kasi nag-update siya. So, i-re-download ko na naman siya. So, ang kailangan lang natin gawin para mabasa yung hindi mo kailangan mag-open ng Gmail o di kaya sa Apple Store kung nasa Apple kayo. And then nandito tayo ngayon sa App Store ko. And then ito si Kumu app, live stream, Pinoy at iba pa. And babasahin natin kung nagbibigay ba talaga ng pera si Kumu o di kaya ano kayang maganda kay Kumu. Okay, so paano yan? Dito tayo sa review, ratings and review, and then basahin natin. So yung ratings ni Kumu dito is 4.5. And maganda yan. Maganda yan sa isang app na kagaya ng mga sikat na app. Kailangan mag 4.4. So yung ratings niya is 1,854 ratings. And then ito na nga yan, yung pinaka-top na review niya. KUMU is the best live stream app that happens an income generation platform that is uniquely community driven with features. So ayun siya guys, English. So dito tayo. Yung pangalawa is a bit disappointed. I really on the fence with this one, so quiz mo ko. Happen. On second question, glitch occurred or players correctly marked as wrong or did not answer. Siguro ito naman nagre-reply naman si developer response ni Kumu. Hello fellas, we do understand how to feel about the situations. Ang gusto lang ni Kumu is ma-serve ng better yung mga users niya, kaya nagre-response talaga sila maganda, mabilis. And then ito siguro nagkaroon dito ng problema yung system, kaya disappointed siya for the second question nung nag-a-answer siya. So, dito tayo sa Kumu legit. Ito, guys. 5-star review. Here we go. May hashtag sa Filipino 100% team in loves Kumu. So, great app, great community. This app is only made to earn thousands of pesos but made meet people, eventually become friends. Maganda pala talaga si Kumu. Hindi lang pera, hindi lang social media, tsaka may friends ka na pala. Okay, ito yung mga top ratings niya guys. Yung mga bago tsaka yung mga ultimate reviews na kinuha ni Kumu para i-feature niya sa front end niya. So, ito sabi ni Kumu, sabi ni .nfbf, hindi nilagyan ng pangalan. I love this app because it sets aside my words and remind me to live stress-free life. Cheesy, but it's true. It may not be live streamer, but Kumu enjoyed watching streams and playing games. Watching streams to get people, amazing, talented people featured not. They will you equally. Playing games earn real cash by just playing game shows. I may win or lose, but every game is me to get the food. Wow! Talagang nagbabayad ng pera si Kumu, guys. Okay, dito na tayo sa Kumu's the Best by JJ Aguirre, August 23 bago. Really like to enable to do this. So, English guys, medyo pero okay na yan. Impress. I'm not into rating apps, but I'm because of Kumu made, hindi siya nagano sa ratings, pero maganda talaga malaman ng ratings kung talagang legit yung app. Because Kumu, I'll make exception. I like this app because it's very friendly. I enjoy watching live stream and you enjoy games. I can't believe you can also earn money here. I already have 1,000 pesos for my virtual Kumu wallet. This developing app is so let's be patient, understand we encountered. That's great, guys. Okay, so hindi naman tayo magbabase lang dito sa front end kasi puro 5 star siya. And puntahan natin madami. Okay. Sort sa pinakabago. Yung pinakabago. Ayan guys, may 1 star si Kumu. Do not connect your social media accounts to this app. For those that need read terms and conditions, if you opt to get extra rights by promoting the app on your social media accounts, they literally state in the terms that they can tweet, follow, unfollow, delete tweets, and block people for you, essentially sharing your entire account with the app. Why is that part of their terms? Super sketchy data mining. Nako. Talagang very detailed to si ano. Miss absent-minded. You know. Yung mga ideas naman nila dito is ano lang man, yung experience nila. Ito, si Amazing Bitong. Amazing. Sabi naman ni House Keto Mura Rio. I'm quite new, Kumu, and I have few questions or bothered. Okay, subscribe to my YouTube. Make available for PC site. You know, I like it. Sabi ni Lian Briando. Happy enjoyable staying. Suggestions lang po. ABC Corp. Sabi ni ABC Corp. Suggestion lang. Maganda naman kaso kapag ito, may Tagalog guys. Maganda naman kaso pag iba budget kinagamit mo. Kailangan mong mag-login ulit tapos hindi naglo-load yung messages. Baka mahina internet niya ni ABC Corp. Pero okay lang yan. Ito sabi niya, report CJLTN. I can do live streaming, laging poor connection kahit hindi naman I'm stressed. Ito, may para hindi tayo bias dito, hindi lang 5 stars lang ipapakita natin. May mali eh. Naglalaro po ako ng quiz mo ako nung una. May mga tanong pang lumabas tapos sa kalakid-anan na wala ang tanong lumabas, this is unfair, madaya. Paano ako naglaro ng mabuti kung wala naman ko yung question? My internet is good, yung app is updated. Please lang po, mahigit 2 months na akong gumagamit ng Kumu, ngayon lang nangyari sa akin. Solve. Siguro updated. Siguro yung system nila talagang may problema. Pero okay yan. Kumusta Carlito? Sabi ni Jenny Soriano, love this app. Super enjoy. At the same time, pwede ka maglaro ng real money. Nagbabayad talaga. Fun app, legit. Happy. So great Kumu. Okay yan guys. Nakikita natin is mga August to October hanggang maganda yung ito yung not good app. Time wasted. Even your right questions mark wrong. Okay. So, yun yung mga 5-star na review ni Kumu. Then, punta naman tayo sa mga most critical. Most critical Tuesday, bago pa. Yun na nga. Huwag nyo i-connect sa social media. September 1, can do live streaming. Problem, not good app. Do not fool us. Sabi naman ni Richard T888. Remove all your fake accounts and admin like Yakult everyday make 3-1 Reliance Camo. Just name few from 5,000 players. There are 4,000 boots from your end and always win the prize when we'll get back to you. This is fake users, multiple accounts, fake comments, scripted dramas, fake positive, negative review. It's been going since 2003 and still no will download this app anymore. It's a hoax. Fake account and admin accounts always won. Sabi naman ni Richard, do not fool us daw. July 1. O cool post, thanks for sharing. Ito guys, hindi naman tayo bias dito. Nire-review naman natin kung 1 star tsaka 5 star. Yung app. Tsaka most favorable. Try natin. Ayan Most before well, amazing geometry dash gamer sa I like it niya na thankful. Okay, sabi naman nila maganda daw. Okay, so paano ba mag-ano dito? Click nyo lang yung back. Click nyo yung back dito. Tapos, gusto nyo mag-review, kailangan magkaroon kayo ng account dito. Tapos, lagyan nyo lang write review. Tapos, lagyan nyo dito 5 star. Tapos yung title, my experience at KUMU. Tapos review na lang. I like it. Sabihin nyo lang I like it. Tapos, since naka-review na tayo dito, wag na tayo mag-double review. Baka sabihin nila, boot. Send. Pag send nyo yan, may review na kayo. So, yun guys. Yun lamang po guys. And sana'y nakatulong sa inyo dito kung ano ba talaga si KUMU. And legit ba talaga siya? O kaya hindi. And sabi naman ng iba, maganda daw. Sabi naman ng iba, hindi. Thank you for watching. Kabal Easy. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. That's all.